This 55 Chevy Bel Air is loaded like a baked potato from Chili's. This thing has got spotlights, continental kit, the power pack motor, power steering, power brakes, and a whole lot more. Ground up restored. It's a beautiful car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Look at the pictures top to bottom. And that's where you'll find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. We also have a buy it now button. If you are very excited about a car, you click the button and that way there it locks it in for you until you have a chance to think and talk to the salesman. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. But that top is down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a classic 55 Chevy. This is the signature colors, Gypsy red, Shoreline beige, and it is decked out to the nines with all the options and accessories you could imagine. But first, let's check out the body. I'm going to guess this car was restored 25 years ago. It's held up really well. It has about 7,300 miles on it since it's been done. The car looks like it was done yesterday. Standing right here, it looks brand new. But let's check it out. All along the bottom here, smooth, no rust, no damage. All real nice quarter panels. This is all real nice, no damage, no issues. Trunk lid fits real sharp, real nice. No issues with the body. This is all nice, clean, all real good stuff here. Shuts real nice. No rust, no damage, no bubbles. So the body is very nice. The paint itself is very smooth and glossy. It's a little bit textured right here. You know, there's a lead bonding strip right here, and it's a little fuzzy if you look for it. But other than that, the paint's really sharp. Here's a little touch-up on the edge right here. Very minor imperfections. There's a touch-up. Boy, they matched the color spot on. A little bit of texture here. They didn't buff out all the way. So I'm being nitpicky. You know, there's little tiny flaws you can find wrong with it, but practically speaking, the paint's gorgeous. Let's talk about some of these options. The center bumper guard, this big bumper guard, and then the outer bumper guards, that's optional. Everything up here looks like at least a 7, probably an 8. It's all shiny and straight. T3 headlights, it's the correct headlight. This trim right here is an option. The stone shield's an option. Rocker moldings are an option. Dual spotlights, these are nice spotlights. They have the mirror on the back, the handles inside. As the door handle guard, that's an option. And all this stuff is shiny and straight. Here's another touch-up right here. It looks like they masked it off and airbrushed it a little bit right there. Fender skirts with the stone shields. That's 2 more options. It has the bumper guards out here. It has reverse lights. It has stainless tips on the dual exhaust. It has a continental kit. These are all options. Trim around the fuel door. That's an option. White wall tires. Matching painted rim. Correct hubcaps in real nice shape. The white paint's real nice with the Chevy bow ties. Firestone white walls. The rim's painted nice. So that all looks real good. It has a tinted windshield. That would actually be another option. Convertible top. You can see on our website it's in real nice shape. It's a power top. Again, you'll see pictures on our website. So the outside of the car is looking really sharp. The windshield was replaced. The rubber gasket's new. All looks really good. Everything's shiny, straight, fits nice. Outside of this car is a good solid 8 out of 10 in my opinion. So why don't we open it up, see how good it is inside. Okay, so the trunk in this car is real nice and clean. Got the Continental kit. Now, check this out. That's a big part of the reason I bought this car was for this matching pedal car. He did not want to give it up. I said, we don't have a deal then. Same colors, Continental kit. That is cool. So now we're up to the real deal. You pull this lever, the tire swings out of the way. It's just an old tire because this just fills the space, really. There's a spare inside the trunk. So this spare matches the others. It's in great shape. The rim is painted. The whole jack assembly is here. The inside of the trunk compartment is clean. Has the rubber mat. Has a nice well liner. The white paint is good. It's not pristine, but it's all good, clean, solid metal. Weather strip is replaced. A couple shop manuals. And it even has this cool Chevrolet key with the address of the dealer. So if someone found your key, they should mail it back. Thought that was kind of cool. The door jambs look nice. Weather strips are still real good. Sill plates are shiny. The interior's all been replaced with the correct reproduction door panels and armrests and the handles. They all look good. The whole dash area is beautiful. Now this has the Autronic eye. This dims the headlights when it sees oncoming cars. But all this is painted nice. All the trim was replaced when they restored it. 7,300 miles since it's been done. So all looks good. It has a Wonder Bar radio. Up here is called the viewfinder. You look in there so you can see the traffic light. You see what color the traffic light would be. Clock is optional. Reproduction mats, that's optional. Carpets are good. This is a Chevrolet tissue dispenser. Should have a tissue box in there with the tissues coming out. Another option. Light works in here. You got an owner's manual. And then this button here, you got an Ooga horn. Someone's added seat belts front and back for everybody. The upholstery is all very good shape. It's not wrinkled. It's nice and tight. All looks real good. So all looks really nice. Back here, the armrest, the top boot, the floor mats. The steering wheel looks brand new. That's beautiful. The visors are redone. The mirror looks nice. So yeah, the interior is in very good shape. So this is the 265 Power Pack engine. It is a correct dated motor. It's the V8, has the 4-barrel carburetor, all stock valve covers, the script writing on them, the stock manifold, stock air cleaner, optional oil filter. Yeah, that sounds funny, but cars didn't come with oil filters back then. It has the proper distributor, heat riser tube going down to the exhaust manifold. This is a Delco battery topper, so it looks like an original and has this nice disconnect for when you park the car. And all this is clean and tidy and just overall very good. Front of the motor is an electric fan to help keep it running real cool. Got the dual horns. So it has the optional windshield washers, factory power steering, and power brakes. So just more and more options. They did upgrade it with a modern electric wiper system. And the engine compartment as a whole is very good. Again, for a 20-year plus restoration, I think it's a very nice car.
All right, everybody, absolutely beautiful day here. Got the top down on this 55 Chevy Bel Air. Let's go for a cruise. Frame off restoration car, totally beautiful top to bottom. Feels like an absolute dream. Real sweetheart of a car. Got the 265 under the hood. Got the Power Glide automatic trans. Handling the bumps with ease. Easy to steer. Power steering on this one, power brakes. Stops real nice. This is a great car. So you can't beat this steering wheel, that's for sure. Absolutely amazing feel to it. If you want to come test drive this one yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago. We're about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. If you need to fly in, you're more than welcome. Or if you don't have time for all that, you can, of course, go ahead and hire a third-party inspector and they can do a thorough report on the car for you. Right now, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed's no problem. Beautiful car. Riding on a cloud, I tell you. You cannot feel these bumps. Steering's easy as could be, and this one's loaded up with a bunch of options. I'm sure Jay's going to go over with you guys, but this is the right one. Started absolutely no problem. Just an exceptional car, top to bottom on this one. Check out over 100 pictures on volocars.com.
And just to clarify, this is included with the purchase of this car. So the underneath of the car is solid. They restored the floors and rockers, all nice, clean, rust-free metal. All the suspension, steering was redone at the time of restoration. This car did go through our shop for inspection. It's good to go. Bottom of the motor is clean Chevy orange. It has the big cast iron original Power Glide automatic transmission in there. Some recent parts, the shocks look new, the dual exhaust looks new, and it has glass pack style mufflers, again with the stainless tip in the back. The fuel tank's been replaced. So everything under the car looks clean and proper and has been inspected. Go to volocars.com. This is the classic 55 Chevy. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your driveway, how to finance it. Hit the buy it now button if you're excited about the car. That way you won't lose it. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.